Alright? So, we'll start our program by introducing ourselves. Okay? So, kaya kung managulit sa mic, ako mag-una. Diba? Okay. So, hi guys.
Vlogging the vlogger.
Okay. My name is Rene John, but you can call me Medyo Boy. Again, you can subscribe to my channel. It's Medyo Boy. It's not Medyo Girl, it's not Medyo Boy. It's not boy, it's not girl, it's Medyo Boy. Alright, so let's, ang sunod is ang atong founder.
Ay, apili ko ni.
Oh.
Test. 5, 5, 3. Hello everyone, my name is Margrette. You can call me Maan. My channel name and Facebook page is Margrette. Thank you, mabuhay! Energy!
FM! Alright, next is si Principal. Principal.
Hoy, ganahan ko sa inyo ang microphone.
Yeah. Diba? May hapon, BYC.
Dito ka, Mems. Mems, dito ka.
Akong YouTube channel is Inday the Vlogger, and same as with my FB page, Inday the Vlogger, and my blog, FB is Magical Journal of Gail.
Magic!
Okay. Tanta mo na anak ko, kaya mura din ko musigo. Charot. Alright, ang sunod is si Mame.
Okay. Hi everyone!
There is a My Food Mercado.
May I'm here and of course my channel is My Food Mercado.
Yan naman ko ni Ma'am Ray ka kanina.
May I'm here from My Food Mercado. Kay dili sa My Food Mercado.
Lami ang mukhaon.
Ang sadya ang paligyan. Ay, bakit ka kong channel? May I'm here. Sa Danggap. Okay, bye.
Alright, thank you so much.
What's up, May?
And sunod si Sir
Hello,
Josh.
Mayan.
Sunod tayo na natin si Sir Josh.
What's up, Mayan?
Cheers. May I'm here.
Hello everyone, mayong hapon. Sulit Tabay TV, YouTube channel, and Facebook. Sulit Tabay TV.
Moro to.
Salamat, Sir Josh. Ano din kung ano yung layo? Kaya parang bati. No? Alright. So, sunod, ano na lang taha? Wala naman kung commemorate na itong tanan. Wala na lagi na party na to. Alright, so ano na lang din tanan?
Look, yawa yung channel idol.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jerry Ramos, but you can call me Jetty. And you on YouTube and you can visit my YouTube. My name is Princess Jetty. Thank you.
Princess Jerry.
Hello everyone, my name is James Amosa. My YouTube, Instagram, and my Facebook page is Abuyo Vlogger. All the way from Abuyo Vlogger.
Abuyo!
Hoy guys, nasi Rex Mau.
Awesome!
Hi everyone, my name is Mary from Queen TV. That's spelled QKUEN TV. Meron siya. Tanan nga ako sa social media meron siya. Queen TV. That's all.
Queen with the UK!
Bagong puan, birth certificate. Hi, ako si Donski TV. Ako Facebook page is Donski Istorya Tabay.
Don't skip story at the bye. Alright, Anton.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon na talaga. So by the way, my name is Antonio Uwe, but my YouTube channel, parang nangyari. Hi guys, my YouTube channel is Antoy Palaboy ang Pobleng ka Pobleng. Cut! Alright, Antoy Palaboy ang Pobleng Lagan.
Mora itong laagan nga. Mora itong kubre nga laagan. Kaya nakagkwarta.
Hello guys, bago na yun Jacob Larasabal.
Sana all Rastabal!
Sabal ha?
User friendly na dayon eh, kailangan sa
Paano akong YouTube channel kay Jackie D. Jackie D. Jackie D Vlog.
Alright. Ganahan ko ano ba kaya yamanin na raza ba? Next.
Master Idol. Salamat sa pag-imbita sa ating building ng mga rin. Juan, dyan Eric niya akong Bisaya, Juan Ikoy.
Hoy, t-shirts din yun, Ania!
Thank you, sir. Alright, sunod. Siyempre. Mali akong baby boy.
Sana all!
Hey everyone, I am Jefferson Compresto and my YouTube channel is
Muntach!
my YouTube channel is Flex Vlog. Sa mga gusto magpa-flex, flex lang. Basta lang ka, ma'am.
Kapag-flex, yung tuan eh. Alright, next.
Hello guys, good afternoon. This is
Luwi kita na sa!
please subscribe to our YouTube channel guys, Red Lines and hi sir,
Langga!
Red Lines are EDD space lines.
Red Lines!
Media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Maraming salamat.
Red line!
Thank you.
Hello guys, good afternoon. It's nice to meet you all. My YouTube channel is Conrad's PH. So, want to see our real estate videos. So,
Conrad's PH!
Conrad's PH, that's all guys. Thank you.
Hey, guys, makita mo mga property real estate broker na siya. Dato na, dato. Alright, para mali ang among dato ka friend.
Paris friend! Rich friend! Hi!
Soon!
Nasa'y vlog! Nasa'y vlog, no?
Ako na ni James. Always ko yung makita sa ipaan. Kinuklik ko niya. Subscribe siya, guys.
Ninduta na sa?
Stop the party! Nanay yung gihuwat.
Ayaw ba?
Yeah, everyone, kung abot day. For the longest time, I'm back, everyone! Yeah, anyways, look at my legs, it's shaking. Give mo kumbo, promise. Yeah, anyways, my name is Rocky. Then you can, I'm your ultimate palangga of Cebu. It's me, Rocky.
Murag pang PBB ba itong intro ni mo lang ga? Nag-audition ka sa PBB, no? Alright, so kita sunod. Carmel, si Carmel, oh. TikTok, ma'am. TikTok na rin.
Alam mo, sunod na rin siya kay Kuan. Sunod siya kay Rosmar. Tara.
Hi everyone, I am Carmel Barkis. What?
What?
My jowa. So, I don't have YouTube channel, but I have TikTok, King Daya. And for YouTube, please support Blahaka, Debbie.
Debbie!
Siya na ito sa family. So, thank you.
Alright, sunod si Daisy.
Pakpak!
Hello, my love. Social. Mga paparazzi, baka sa wait lang. Ilong sa labi.
Sana all.
I'm Daisy. Wait, my name is Daisy Atin, also known in YouTube, Daisy, D-A-Y-S-E-E. And my Facebook page is Daisy Yapon.
And my hashtag is Hersey. Ah?
Yes! Kung sa may food mercado kayo sa to, lami ang kaon kung saan siyang mamaligyan. Kasi ako kay lami ko.
Jen.
Duka na, duka na.
Committee man ko. Hi guys, I'm Jen. You can subscribe to my channel.
Pink the
Pink the
babo.
Bubble Diary, Facebook, Instagram, Kumo sa guys, nasa kay Kumo. And lagi ako nagsasabi habang tumatagal, lumalaki! Thank you and sino may channel sa inyo dalawa?
Sila na, sila si Hi everyone, I'm Karine. So you can follow me on my YouTube channel. It's Karine OTV. And Mr. Pedro here.
Ay, ikaw to si Karine.
Yes. Sana all! Remove the mask daw para makita ang beauty.
Naong binang.
Good afternoon.
Oh!
Wala kayo si Alice na. Hindi na kayo maganda.
Daisy, hindi na kalami! Hindi na kalami dahil.
Okay.
Good afternoon, BYC family. I'm Franjo Pilihera. Ang YouTube channel ko is Franjo Pilihera. Thank you.
Okay.
Party time! Thank you! Herman!
Hermel! Facebook!
Kuhita ko, be!
Nakagilo!
Ano ka sa smile on time?
Introduce mo.
Hi, I'm Hermel Ocarol. I'm not a YouTuber yet, but
Yeah.
a page on Facebook because I'm streaming Mobile Legends. So Hermelito Gaming.
Hermelito! Hashtag Hershey.
Alright, March!
March. And then, kinakusgan.
Hi guys, I'm Marjorie Nipaya and I have Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, which is March Diaries and no pressure ko. No pressure. So, ginasulti every time after my vlog. It is, life is too short to be wasted, so see you on my next vlog. Bye!
Alright, Sir Ian!
Iyan. What's up, yo?
Homies!
Yo, what's up, homies? What's up, guys? Sir Homie again, Ian. You can subscribe to my channel. Hi, Ian. It's H-I-Hi. Ian.
Again.
Hindi na ako naman sa Rex pa.
Uy, Rex, kasa naman ko, uy!
Anyway, guys, ako na yung YouTube channel is Hi, Ian. So, ano siya? Hi, Ian. Si Bong?
Boom.
Bong na lang. Bong, ito lang, Bong.
Finish na.
Mahirap na pressure. But anyway guys, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Sana ako titigin dito. And isa po akong seryoso na vlogger. Ako po si Bongbona Troya. Crystal, Good Fashion, Mabini, Bill Pilar. Ipumapin na lang po. And iklian nyo lang, boom na lang din po.
Boom,
And,
karak.
Facebook, nakaka-pressure na dami sabi. So, Facebook page, Bongbona. And YouTube channel, Bongbona. So, maraming salamat rin. So, yun lang.
Thank you po. Alright. So,
CJ.
is atong pinaka-postgan.
Salamat sa pag-invitar po. First time ako dyan sa BYC ka nung finally.
Finally.
Ayan, DJ, shout out po. Nakauna ko din sa lechon. Nice to meet you all.
Puro to.
Sorry.
I-promote.
My channel is CJ Estrada sa YouTube, then Facebook, Instagram, Twitter.
Established.
Instagram, CJ Estrada Gapon.
Established what year?
Ayun, tigumang kita pamilahan. Started vlogging 2017, siguro 2017.
Oh, naon!
Institusyon!
Pero kuhan, wala lang. I do this for... Collab.
Collab!
Kaya, paayos ako sa masama.
Oh!
Alright, thank you.
Alright guys, kung ganahan mo mahibaw sa story ni Sir CJ, please visit my Midnight Talk with Medyo Boy with CJ Estrada. Alright, so I guess everyone, naila-ila na. So asa na itong Group A, B, and Group 4. Introduce yourself.
Oh, God.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name's Kyle Hammond. My channel name's Hambone. And yeah, I started it back in October, and I look forward to making more content. And
How did you find BYC?
I found it while scrolling Facebook.
Oh,
to be honest.
amazing.
And I saw what you guys did, and you know, I appreciated it. So I saw how supportive you guys were, so I just became a part of it.
Laban!
Welcome to your country!
Magpapakilala ko pero doon sa kanila kasi hindi sila nakasubscribe sa akin. So, my name is James. Channel name, Chasing James. Content more on travel, adventure, and mga kalokohan. So, thank you and welcome to BYC. Alright, newly monetized at this month.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.